Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing this very Christmassy, full glam, smoky eye situation. I don't know, I never really know what to call makeup tutorials. But before I do jump into the video, I just want to apologise that the eyeshadow portion I had to refilm because I accidentally deleted the footage while I was in the middle of filming this video. Other than that, we have a lot of ups and downs in this video. You might laugh with me, you might cry with me, who knows? So this is the makeup tutorial that I came up with and I absolutely love it. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then of course just keep watching. And again, I do apologise for the eye makeup portion of the video. Hey guys! So did I mention at the start of the video that we had a wee bit of an issue, that I deleted some footage? I've literally just finished filming this video. I have took it all off and I'm now starting again. I am now starting to film the portion of the video that I deleted, which thankfully was just the eyeshadow portion. But first off, took the wee shadow shields. This is the shadow shields original box, but inside it I just have these wee shadow shields I got from eBay. Honestly, if you just type shadow shields in, they will come up, and I think you can get at least 150, 150 for like a couple of pounds. They're honestly so good. So the palette that I did use is the EYN Nudes palette from Beauty Bay. I'm not too sure if this is still on sale or not, but obviously Beauty Bay did have their Black Friday sale and this was half price, I think, so it was down to £3. I think it's £6-7 originally, which is absolutely fantastic, but with it being half price, it's absolutely fab. I'm going to pop this shade just in the crease on a big fluffy brush, and I'm not wanting to be too precise with my blending or anything because we're just wanting to make this quite smoky. So just making sure we're placing that shadow just right in that crease, and then as we're blending, we're just going to blend that right up to the upper crease and the brow bone, just making sure that it's completely seamless. You've seen the makeup I was wearing in the intro. It honestly was so heartbreaking finishing up that tutorial and straight away going into my bathroom and washing all that makeup off. Like, that's sometimes why I hate using like my high-end makeup, because I was using my Nars foundation. Mate, whenever you do this job, you literally just put makeup on to take it off again. And then going back into the palette, I'm going to take this shade here. So with this eye look, I'm not going to be doing anything too difficult. This is just like a basic smoky eye that I've done quite a lot of times on my channel. With this being the second darkest shade, I'm going to start at the outer corner because I want the most darkness and pigment to be at the outer corner. But I'm also going to blend and buff that shadow into the inner corner as well, but mainly focusing it just on the outer corner. This darkest shade here, but I'm also going to pick up a wee bit of the second darkest shade, so, and then just tap off the excess, and then it's just like that second shade. I'm just going to focus this just on the outer corner because again that's where I'm wanting the most pigment to be. So I'm just packing that on and blending as I go. And then just swooping it into the inner corner. I then went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is honestly the best wee liner. It is so fabulous. And again, on Beauty Bay, it's only a couple of pounds. So I'm just going to do like a semi-thick wing. Guys, I could cry right now. This is just a time where you just have to laugh. I've just ruined my favourite pair of eyelashes. I was picking the glue off them, like the strip of glue, and I just literally just ripped them. These are my favourite pair of lashes. I can't believe I've just done this. I've just picked another pair of lashes, so they're gluing at the minute, so while they're gluing I'm just going to take these off and start my base makeup. The lashes that I ruined are of course, they're the BELLAGI lashes in Seduction. I honestly use these lashes every day that I do my makeup. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I just like to take a dollop of that just on my fingers. That is so sticky. Okay, so these lashes are basically the next best thing. So these are Blinxy Lashes in the style Sassy. This isn't really the best top to be wearing whenever I'm just about to do my foundation, but the reason I'm wearing this top today is because look at all my skanky tan. This is going to get scrubbed off tonight, by the way, but please do bear with me for now until I do the foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Mont Blanc. I say it really posh, like Mont Blanc. It's a foundation, Emma, not a bottle of wine. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. So this is Custard. Now, I got this in the Beauty Bay Black Friday sale, and I had another shade in my basket, and then I took it out because I thought, no, that's going to be far, far too light for me. And then I put this in, and it's just... So this is the first time I'm trying it on my face, because I only got it there the other day. Oh, look at that neck. What? Just... God. Yeah, that's not my colour. You guys know, you watch my videos, you see what I like to have on my under eyes. Okay. Oh. Oh. Huh. That is actually very, very nice. I really like that actually. So apparently this has hyaluronic acid in it as well, which is absolutely fab, especially for an under eye concealer. I'm going to have to go and buy the lightest shade in that. To lighten it, I'm going to go with the Barry All Night Long concealer, and this is in the shade Milk. This is honestly the best wee concealer from the drugstore at the minute. I've heard very, very good reviews about the new Maybelline. Is it the new Maybelline Super Stay concealer? I've heard really good reviews about that, so I'm dying to try it. But so far, this is honestly the best wee concealer to come from the drugstore. Barry mate, you did that. This day cannot get any worse. While I was filming the concealer situation, I got a wee thing pop up on my camera to say that I only had 4 minutes left of footage on my memory card. That's not an issue. I went onto my camera, went through all the videos, and I was just deleting, delete, delete, delete. And I ended up deleting the footage of this eye makeup tutorial. I've just deleted the footage that I've just filmed. God, this day has been such a disaster. I slept until 11 o'clock this morning. That might not sound that late to some of you guys, but that to me is very, very late. I destroyed my favourite pair of lashes, and I have just deleted the fucking footage. Oh my god. I just realised I forgot to cream contour. I love my life. Fuck it. Okay, so to bake, I'm going to be using the I Heart Revolution baking powder, the coconut scent one. So to set the skin, I'm going to be using the new Anastasia G-Set Setting Spray. So the packaging is somewhat identical nearly to, what do you call that MAC stuff? MAC Prep and Prime. I actually prefer the spray, like the mister on this one. It's so much more fine than the MAC Prep and Prime. No, Fix Plus Prep and Prime, what? MAC Fix Plus. I sometimes find that the MAC Fix Plus, it can spit at you a wee bit, but that's very nice actually, and it smells of coconuts, which is... love that. Gonna be using the wee MUA Undress Your Skin Highlight. Oh. Oh, this is dark. And she puts on more. This is actually quite fun. I'm having one of those days. I never have one of those days. I'm actually enjoying this while it lasts. I'm gonna try and blend this out a bit. That's way, way too dark. What the hell? For blush, I'm going to be using Milani Luminoso. Oh! Itchy nose! Guys, please excuse the absolute state of me right now. I'm just editing this video. Hopefully I'm going to get up tonight. But what was that noise I just made? I have replayed that bit so many times. I really tickled myself. I am such a sado. Let's hear that again. Oh! Oh! I'm just wondering what that was on the side of my eye. I have a big black smudge. What? To bronze, I'm going to be using this wee Estée Lauder Pure Colour Envy. Wow. Estée Lauder Pure Colour Envy Sculpting Blush Palette Blush Sculptant. Wow. Estée Lauder actually does really beautiful bronzers. They're very, very nice. Oh, I'm so sad that I didn't get to cream contour because I was going to use the wee W7 one that I have been so obsessed with recently. So I'm going to be taking the Hidden Cosmetics Loose Highlight in the shade 24K. It's actually their Glow Dust. Okay guys, so now just starting the eyes. I actually have a couple of products I want to use, but I'm also wanting to go quite warm in the lower lash line. I was thinking maybe like a red. So I have this Meet Matte Trimini, what? From the BAM Cosmetics. It's just this wee mini eyeshadow, but it's just a really, really nice like burgundy, like Bordeaux red. I remember whenever I started my YouTube channel, I used to use this wee shadow all the time because I think it was like my very first like high-end. Like I know the balm isn't necessarily high-end, but I used to use that wee eyeshadow all the time because I was just like, oh look at me, I'm using the balm eyeshadow. And I'm just going to... My camera died. Well, it didn't die, it just overheated and decided to shit itself and turn itself off. So I'm just going to run this shade just along the lower lash line. And then I'm just going to go in with sweet fluffy brush. I'm just going to blend that out. So I'm just wanting to really smoke that out. And then just join that to the wing as well. I'm just going to take the Hidden Cosmetics highlight again. And I'm going to highlight that inner corner. Ooh! This is from Makeup Revolution, my god, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. This is kind of like the Stila things that you used to get quite a long time ago. I honestly can't tell you what they're called. This is whenever Makeup Revolution decided to copy every single high-end brand there was on the planet, and they came out with their own. So I was thinking of that just on the lower lash line somewhere. I'm going to apply this just at the inner corner, just at the lower lash line. I look as if I have a neck brace on. Okay guys, so I'm now just going to finish off my lips. So I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Lipliner in Sexy Red. I'm then stuck between these two lip shades. So I have the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade... Morphe? What? Is this actually called just Morphe? And then I have the DEPOP Scarlet liquid lip in Sin. So that's the red one from Morphe, and then this is like a dark plum. I'm gonna try and mix the two and see what we come up with because I'm kind of torn between the two shades. I'm actually not mad at that lip colour. I actually quite like it. So again, just in case you've missed that, it's a mixture between the DEPOP Scarlet liquid lip in Sin and the Morphe liquid lipstick in Morphe, I think, honestly. I will double check it, but I honestly think this is called Morphe. It's just a red liquid lipstick, so it could be actually just called Morphe. So to finish this off, again, just going to spritz my face with the Anastasia setting spray. Okay guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed. I do sincerely apologise about the whole chaos regarding this video. I had to refilm the start of the video, just the eyeshadow section. I do apologise so much about that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. 'Tis the season. I am now going to be getting into my Christmas makeup tutorial, so if you have any requests at all, feel free to just pop them down below and I will check them out and I will get round to doing them hopefully. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I absolutely love how this turned out, and yeah, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.